Jain. I'm in second grade of Jain Elementary School. My teacher is Baumgartner. And I have built a functional simple gumball machine, which is this one. And I have learned a few engineering concepts. Number 1, the measurement of the gumball passage should be accurate. Number 2, the gravity helps the gumballs move through the machine. Number 3, the angles of slopes affects how fast gumballs roll. Number 4, a simple machine like a push button can help dispense the gumballs. Number 5, testing and improving the design makes the machine work better. Now let's see the chart which shows step-by-step gumball position. First, the funnel helps the gumball come down to the hole of the top plate. Then when you push the button, the top plate moves backwards, aligned with the bottom plate hole. Then the gumball drops onto the ramp. Then it rolls down. Then it comes out of the machine. When you leave the button, the top plate comes back to its original place, and then the next gumball starts coming down on the top plate's hole. Now let's demonstrate how the gumball comes down of the real gumball machine. I have learned engineering is about solving problems and making things work. Thank you.